Oh, good boy. There you go. Cover him up. Cover him up. Good boy. Cover him up. Hey, help Chuck. Help the cart.
Be nice, Nico.
Good boy.
Yeah. No. Be nice to those puppies.
Good boy.
Hi! Hi, Biggie! Hi, Maui! Hi! Hello!
Go, Bob. Go. Yeah. Yeah.
Kill John Lennon!
Motzi? You pushing yourself away? Where are you going? Come here.
You sound like the galloping gourmet. Come on, let's go.
Goat and pygmy goat. Oh, they love each other. Yes, they do. What do you think? Oh, love.
Stop it.
Arthur, can you go play the piano? Singing too. Very nice, Arthur. Very good. Good boy, play piano.
Hoy, kalbo! Kalbo ikaw. Ay, ang pangit mo na. Wala, nagalit. Joke lang, ang pogi mo.
High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have a achoo? Can you speak?
I meant at all.
Is he funny?
Standing culture, do they, of hockey in this country? They're really good on ice when it doesn't involve pucks and nets, but they're going to keep trying. They were overmatched in class in every way possible, but it was something to be there. I mean, this was a big moment, and it continues on.
You mentioned the dignitaries. Did the players know that they were going to do that?
Oh, here's the thing. So Sarah Murray, who's the coach of the Korean team,
Yes.
we found out that the president of South Korea, among others, was going to be there. She didn't tell her players. They had enough to worry about. I mean, the pressure of the moment, you know, it was probably a smart thing for her to do.
3 of the North Koreans played. We'll see them play 12.
Max and Lincoln doing. So this is your favorite pastime now?
I'm in the ghetto.
Oh my god, who's that?
Share, Cooper. Thank you.
So Mommy had to run out in the middle of the night to the all-night pharmacy, and she left the pup-ups at home for 10 minutes, and look at what happened. Good. 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 Good boy. Abang mo si Mami.
Kita mau tenin.
Come here. Who did that? Now he's fascinated. He's trying to eat them.
Dale un beso a la abuela. Buenas noches. Buenas noches a la abuelita.
Free.
Now let you be nice. That's daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay.
Loves you. Oh, he's licking you. He loves you. Did you have any food I could eat? Mm-hmm.
Come on. Willow, come on. Come on. It's just a pineapple, dog. Go for it.
Here, Willow. Come here. Come here. Come here, Willow. Come here, Willow.
Gilly, did you eat it? Is it a yes or no? Maybe?
Thank you. Here you go. Can I have another $1? Here, you want this? Give me another $1. Thank you.
Great.
Good morning. Hi, Sleepy. I love you.
Tonka, where are you? Come here, Pa. Tonka. Tonka, where are you? Tonka.
Duncan. Duncan.
Good morning. Good morning.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Frida. Frida, get off of Fuzzy's head.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
Yeah, your baby will come. Yes, thank you. Hi.
Pepper. Sevy. Reba. Cisco. Henry. Peter and Gadget. Sophie.
If anybody asks me for a house tour, this is the video I'm gonna send them.
What's up?
No! No! Here, Mickey. Here. Get her, Mickey.
Azalea, get back in this yard.
No, quanto beijinho gostoso. Oh, meu Deus, quanto amor. Quanto amor.
Joey?
Good
Oh, stranger.
What are you doing? Protecting the little one?
Abschließen. Und das sagt der süße Hund dazu.
Who chewed this up? Who chewed this up? What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
Are you guilty, Killian?
Okay.
Did you chew it up?
Did you chew this up?
It was definitely.
It's Killian.
What's up, Mr. Cool?
I need to wear my old lady glasses so I can see the remote to change the TV channel. I don't like what Mama has chosen for us tonight.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
Luca.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Right. Go then.
This is a story about a girl named Lucky. you show me your tongue? Mommy has COVID. You have to do it for me. Show me your tongue. Wow! That made Mommy feel so much better. Thank you. Show me a little bit more. Show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. What?
Yeah, he's scared too.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
That, Robin. That's beautiful.
Exactly.
All right, we're going to turn now to Lara and pop news from her home as well. Lara, take it away.
Have you guys heard the expression, the dog ate my homework? Because we have a situation here.